What's going on, my peoples? What's going on? Boy, it's nice and early today, and we finna be on the move, you did? So, wanted to take y'all along with me, man. Getting a few things done with Malibu, and we also gonna ride out and head out to Tire Kingz. We got some rims, you did? So, definitely wanted to take y'all along with that. I'm trying to get myself together this morning. You know what I mean? I got the coffee rolling. So as soon as I can get that in me, man, the better, you did? Because I ain't no good to nobody without that coffee, you did? So I'm gonna get this going. While I'm getting this going, you know what I mean? Getting some stuff prepared. Y'all gonna do one thing for your boy. Subscribe, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, you did? That way you can stay alert to all the drops that's coming, you did? So stay tuned. And we here, man. Nice little ride, drive line. They don't even look like they open. Hey, the door open? Oh, door open. All right. So we finna get this drive shaft cut. I think I might have called this place at least 5 or 10 times over the course of what, about a good year.
Yeah.
How to
Not
measure,
about 6 months.
How to measure. And finally bring it up here. Hey, how are you?
Good. You can set it up here. What can we do for you today?
I actually called yesterday about getting a drive shaft cut. Had to get some measurements for it. So I want to get this one.
Okay, sure. All right, give me just 1 second. Let me
No
get it
problem.
marked for you. He'll come up here. He'll get all the measurements needed that you need, and you will be all set.
Sweet. Sweet. All right. Actually, I need to get my phone because I put the measurements in the phone. Your door opens. Man. Trying to hurry me get this thing in order, man. You know, so we can get the Malibu moving, you did? So we're gonna do this and we're gonna see what's up. Might have some power right here, boy. Twist it. Yeah. I wonder if they can add this. Let's see how much they charge to add
If you mark
this.
just 1 minute, he'll be right up here. To
No
help you,
problem.
okay?
Thank you.
Let's see. Is it on here? Yeah, it's on here.
Yeah, it's already on there. You think I should just get it replaced though?
You got these big train bags?
That's what I usually use for long. Let's see, like, what is this?
That's like somebody welded.
Something got stuck on it or something. I don't think it's gonna chop it or everything it up.
It won't.
Hey, how are
how's it
you?
How you doing?
Doing all right?
We do for you.
Mark?
Yes. After a while, they just start wearing
So
down.
guys, what I had to do was I had to measure from here
Right now, you're
to
roughly
here.
4
and I got 52 inches.
So
Man, we might actually get this car moving quicker than I thought. I was expecting more. Oh yeah, I can take this. Yeah, he has my telephone number.
All right, we'll give you a buzz.
Sweet, thanks.
Okay, well, there you go. All right.
Oh man. Oh, I'm excited. I'm crazy excited now. Yeah, I need this. This is my lawn bags.
Yeah.
Y'all know I got a little bit of street in me, so you know what I mean. I keep my bags. You know, like, you say no. I'm gonna need them garbage bags. Hey, this is how you get into a nice whip. Oh, this is nice. Damn, my man said later on today.
Yeah, and Richard had to get his the next day.
Dang. I guess because first come, well, it's early in the morning. They just opened up, so.
Man, if they knew they come on, we would have been down here.
I know. Goodness. Hey man, so we getting that. We finna get that done. That's good. Where to next, boss? What we gonna do? What we about to do? What we about to do, boss?
Look at some rims.
Hey man, we finna look at these rims. You already know, Rucci, 4Gs, Armani, whatever it is. We finna go look at them all, and we gonna figure this shit out, cause man, it's hard buying rims these days. Yeah, like before, back in the day, man, when I was just a young boy around the way, you know what I mean? You can just pull up to a rim shop, pick it off the shelf, and get loaded.
It was rental wheels for me.
Hey, it was a rental wheels a little bit of everybody. What do they call it? Rim time.
Rim time, yeah.
Rental wheel. What's the one on Memorial? With the purple sign that sit over there across from my atrium. Man, it's like a purple, it's like a purple building. I can't even remember the name of it. You know what I mean? Look. Shit, fucking around might be renting them hoes today, to be honest with you. What he talking about? But nah, man, we're gonna go out here, man, go visit Tire Kingz, one of the, I guess, well-known rim dealers down here in the A. You did, so we're gonna see what he talking about, man. You did, so stay tuned. All right, man. And we back. You know what time it is. Let's see what they talking about. Yeah. What's going on? What's going on?
Coming in and do some refund on some wheels.
Ooh.
87 on that Carlo.
Okay, you hit me on the ground?
Yeah, we both did.
You might? Yeah, I might.
Yeah.
What's up, man? King,
What's up, man?
What's going on? You probably seen
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
87 money. Yeah. So right now my in-stock inventory like super low. I ain't been buying. It's just so slow. But I got Rucci, I got like, I think I counted on like 14, maybe 12 sets that's ready to cut. So basically I've been doing to take the payment, ship them out. That way I ain't time my little change up, so we break.
Gotcha.
So let me ask you, will I have to get a frame notch behind it?
Well, I do, and you probably know, I do zero offset to all my Rucci till you squat. You do a +5 or +10, gonna poke out like Forgiato.
No.
So I always do zero. On my zero, you want to get squat. Now, I don't know if you know everybody with Forgiato wheels.
They do poke. You're right. I seen that.
You know what I'm saying? So,
yeah, I seen that.
So like when I first started selling Rucci like 2 years ago, 3 years ago, everybody was on me about having a frame knot. But then when the game changed, everybody wants to see lower. So you got it. The wheel got to hit the frame in order for it to squat. You know what I'm saying?
So let me ask you this: will I be able to get them cut where I don't have to get it?
Nah, so it's either zero frame notch or +5, and it's gonna sit line up with the wheel, and you can be squat like you want.
Damn.
Well, not squat, not like a heavy squat.
Ain't no heavy squat, but you want to sit like.
I want to sit kind of.
So then you run into the problem where you trim your outside fender and trim it all the way out real thin, and you still gonna be to the point where it's gonna line up and tie like that. So if you do zero offset, I push the wheel in some, I frame notch that way it come down right on top of the tie. And when you ride it, even though you ride the bounce, it won't never get tight.
And we back. Man. Dilemmas. You know what I mean? Mike definitely gave that deal. You know what I mean? And you know you're gonna hook it up. Now we're just kind of like stuck in between a rock and a hard place. You know, when it comes to what wheel do you want? What wheel? You know what I mean? So, I'm trying to hash that out, man. And from there, it ain't nothing but up. You know what I mean? Definitely wanna, shout out to Mike, man, and out here, hustling. He on the ground with his, I can't even hold you. You did. So we're gonna see what's up, man. We definitely gonna get back with that man and holler at him on that tip, and we're gonna keep things moving. Dilemmas. Look at him, my man over there, he contemplating. He like, man, deep thought. Yeah. What to do?
But Mike tossed a real good deal. You can't say no to, man. Like it was really sweet, man.
He, like I said, he been doing this for a while, man. One of the best in the game. You know what I mean? Especially when it comes to that big ram culture. You know what I mean? He can get his hands on a bunch of different things.
72 hours later.
So right now, man, on the way back out to dry line, man, to go pick up the dry shaft. They finally called me, said that it's ready for pickup. They actually called me this past Friday. Was it Friday? Yeah, I think it was Friday they called me. And said it was ready, but they closed early because of the new year. And on top of that, I had some plans of my own, so I had to dip out, and I wasn't gonna make the time that they, you know what I mean, had put on your butt. But anywho, on the way out here right now to go pick it up, man. Got some things I need to do with the SS today as well. I got to run by USPS to return a product on Amazon, so man, we're gonna get at it.
See what schedule is. We've got another vehicle coming in too.
That looks way better.
Yeah.
Sweet.
All right, 173.45.
What we look forward.
As I know, because if I schedule people, I schedule them for my family.
Man, that thing looking good. Yeah, I mean, they did their thing at dry line, man. So I'm anxious, man. I'm anxious to get it back. This is close to the last component. One of the last components I need to get the Malibu moving. And guess what? The last component that I need to get the Malibu moving is at the house. It did. Got to the house yesterday. Actually got to the house the day before yesterday. And I wasn't able to open it because your boy was a little bit up under that. Can't even say I was really up under the weather. Let's just say I was down and out partying. You did. So now that we got this, we're gonna go ahead and head back to the crib. We're gonna open that up. We're gonna see what that's about. We're gonna see if we can get the dry shaft in today. Said it came in and I couldn't see it because wasn't feeling too good, but guess what? My shifter is here, Malibu, and this is that last thing I really needed in order to get the Malibu moving. It's hard moving this stuff in one hand. But anyways, we ain't got the B&M Magnum grip stick. Ooh, the Pro stick. Ooh, that thing look good. Yeah, I can't wait to get that in. Can't wait to get that in. So, let's go, man. We on action. We on go. And I ain't playing. Man. We on go. You did. So, I'm going to take the drive shaft, man, and I'm about to do a test fit on it right now. Right now. Alright, so looks like I got a little more to go here, and just a little bit shy right here. So yeah, I think this is gonna work out. I'm gonna make a phone call real quick just to make sure, and we're gonna see what's to it. You did, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. Alright, people. After some tugging, some fighting, all that good jazz, we got it up there, man. Oh, and it fit. I'll shaft in. Butt it up. A nice little clearance, so we're ready to bring this back in. Woo! So now that's done, man. Got that fitted. Only thing we got to do now, tighten that down and get the shifter in. And we finna have ourselves a party. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. So hold tight, man. Appreciate y'all for checking in, and we're gonna holler at y'all. You dig?